pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palmetto Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. If you're moving more than 50 miles away, you'll need a long distance moving company to assist you. 3 Movers provides interstate and intrastate moving services. Intrastate moves take place within the same state, whereas interstate moves are those that take place across several states. State and federal regulatory authorities oversee interstate and intrastate transfers, and we work collaboratively with them. To move your items without breaking any laws, we have completed all relevant paperwork and obtained the appropriate licenses to move your items without breaking any laws. Also, we have the most fantastic movers in Palmetto, Georgia. They are well-versed in all aspects of the moving process, from start to finish. In addition, our professional movers are careful while handling your possessions. We recognize how precious your possessions are to you, and we do our best to protect them. With our moving trucks, you can be confident that your possessions will arrive on time and in excellent condition, because they are sturdy, fast, and spacious. A local move travels less than 50 miles in one direction or the other. Most local moving companies in Palmetto, Georgia, are understaffed, but 3 Movers stands out. The locals respect and rely on us for their local relocations. Your relocation to your new office building or apartment will go smoothly if you hire 3 Movers. We provide these fantastic services at the lowest price possible. Our price range is between $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palmetto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.